Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining to this presentation. I'm glad to see you all. Today, we are going to discuss about Technic Garden. But firstly, I would like to introduce my team. My name is Miranda Stampul, and I'm a moderator. And my partner are Farhan, Mikael, Mia, Zaid, and Sharif. We are from group 6. Then please present the material. The first, Farhan.
Okay, thank you, moderator. First of all, I will read about the material. Technique garden. Garden. Garden is in essence the word garden can also be used referred to yard or in the sense of ornamental garden. Thus, a plantation can be a yard, but this is not always the case, provided that the wall or part of the garden can be transformed into a garden. Understanding garden. A garden is permanent cultural land or agricultural business planted with annual crops, either in kind or mix. Plants commonly grown in the garden land include coconut and other types of fruit, mango, rambutan, and others. Plantation is all activities that exploit certain plant on land and or other growing media in a suitable ecosystem. Processing and marketing the goods and service of this plant with the help of science and technology, capital and management to be able to create welfare for gardeners and business public. Okay, thank you, moderator.
Okay, thank you. And next to Mikael, please.
Thank you, moderator. The second, I read the garden type. Garden type. Garden classification based on the kinds is divided into several forms, among others. Community garden farming. Community garden agriculture is a garden that is cultivated by the people and is generally cultivated outside Java Island. The characteristics of smallholder agriculture are, are described as follows. The area is not that wide, it's only a few hectares. The work is done by all family members in mutual cooperation and is traditional in nature. The capital required is also not too big. Most of people plantation product can be used for local needs. Large garden farm. Large garden agriculture is a garden is cultivated by large bodies such as state plantation companies or PPN, state-owned enterprise or BUMN, regional owned enterprise or BUMD, national private capital and foreign capital in collaboration with the government. Characteristic of garden. The characteristic that benefit the garden so that it is able to differentiate it from other agricultural lands are as follows. Large. The size of the plantation is not relative and depends on the number of commodities that can be produced. However, a farm needs a minimum area to be able to maintain profits through the production system is used. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And next, ownership system. The land tenure system is not an absolute requirement in the plantation system, so that for various commodities increase the land rental system or the system of business division. An example is the Inti Rakyat Plantation, or commonly known as PIR. Garden function. Karyono, Abedin, and Kudus state that the function of garden in general can be divided into two aspects, namely as follows. The first, subsistent aspect. Subsistent needs are obtained from the production of land that can be used to meet the daily needs of the owner. For example, in this implementation, subsistent production from mixed garden generally can be obtained from food-producing plants, medicine, vegetables, cooking spice, animal feed, and firewood. And the second, commercial aspect. The residual commercial production that consumed can be sold for additional income. As for the example of aspect in commercial production, most of it can be obtained from plants that can be used as building materials, fruit, and other types of trading commodities such as coconut, cloves, coffee, and others. Understanding gardening. Gardening is an effort carried out by humans in a land or garden to meet their economic needs or to get additional income. Gardening purpose. When gardening certainly makes the body move more, starting from digging the ground, cutting grass, trimming plants, studying pots, planting flowers and plants, giving fertilizer, watering plants, and other. And next, Sharif, please.
Thanks for the moderator. In here, I will tell you about health benefit of gardening and gardening tips. Health benefit of gardening. First, lose weight by gardening, your body will move so that it can burn body calories. Second, reducing the risk of heart disease. Third, increase endurance. Fourth, maintain brain health. Fifth, improve hand coordination and strength. Gardening tips. First, observation of sunlight. Sunlight is one of crucial thing in plant growth. Second, make sure the water source is available. Third, select fins. Fourth, many plant variants. Fifth, pay attention to aesthetic. Sixth, pay attention to sanitation. It is just that I can say thank you for time.
Okay, thank you. And next, Mia. Mia, please.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will continue the material. Gardening technique. Number 1, organic gardening. In plant terms, organic gardening means growing without synthetic fertilizer or pesticide. In larger terms, it is a focus on the larger ecosystem. This type of gardening looks for solutions that improve the health of the soil, the plant, and the animals that surround the garden. Usually, this involves a lot of humus and cover crops. Number 2, biodynamic gardening. This is similar to organic gardening in that it doesn't use any synthetic fertilizer or pesticide, but this is soulful gardening. Beyond a concern for the large ecosystem, biodynamics look to work in concert with the rhythm of nature both on Earth and in the stars. This a gathering together of many ancient techniques from many cultures. A fundamental concern is the health of the soil using biodynamic composting, often energized, acting like a sort of herbal tea for the garden. Number 3, companion planting. Companion planting involves the use of plant relationship that encourage prolific growth and repel or attract insects. In our garden, we plant basil, parsley, and borage among our tomato for increased vigor, decreased disease, and more prolific blooming. Number 4, succession planting. Succession planting involves planting your garden in wave to ensure that there is a crop of a particular vegetable coming on continually throughout the spring, summer, and fall. Number five, sorry. Number 5, permaculture. Often done with perennial and native plants, the goal of permaculture is the creation of self-sustainable system. This type of gardening avoids tilling and synthetic fertilizer and pesticide because the goal is create a community of plants, soil, people, insects that work together to keep the garden going without continual disruption. Number 6, hydroponics. Hydroponics is soil-less gardening that involves rooting the plants in a continuously circulating liquid fertilizer. Thank you, moderator.
Okay, thank you. And next and the last, Zaid, please.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Conventional gardening. Some gardeners make use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. In varying degrees, the amount used depends on the particular desire of the individual. Square foot gardening. Square foot gardening is small space gardening that takes max of the garden in square foot increments. This type of gardening attempts to grow plants closer to maximum space and minimize the need for weeding. It also makes use of succession planting method. This is a type of small space digging apartment gardening that makes use of both soil-based and hydroponic techniques. Even more space is sufficient when this is combined with vertical gardening. Aquaponics is gardening in a liquid medium where fish live. This type of gardening makes use of some of the ideas of hydroponics, using living fertilizer that can also be farmed free efficient. Strawbell. This technique innovates gardening in the tops of straws bales instead of tilling the dirt. Designated gardening. Designated gardening involves layering combustible materials, fishing with a layer of dirt on top, often used for gardening where weeds have gone out of control. This idea is to smother the weeds and create a good rich soil for the future. Kale Garden. This garden is laid out as a circular raised bed with a fed into the circle on one side and a compost field in the center. The compost field usually held in a circle of first mesh in rounds the enter the feed of the bed. The compost field thread distributing moisture and nutrients the ground the surrounding bed. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you all. So the conclusion of this discussion is that garden has section include organic gardening, biodynamic gardening, companion planting, and etc. Besides this, gardening can also increase body immunity, where if we gardening, we do a lot of activities or movement that can nourish the body. So I think that's enough. If there is a wrong word, we apologize. That's enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon all.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.